everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Today, we are tearing down a seriously fascinating frontier in the creator economy. We're going to give you the exact blueprint for building, automating, and monetizing a highly profitable AI influencer entirely from scratch using tools like LoveArt AI and Ali AI. If you've been watching the digital space, you know things are moving at lightning speed right now. But how you actually capitalize on these tools? Well, that's a mystery to most. But not anymore. We're getting right to the source strategies used to turn pixels into pure profit. Okay, let's look at our agenda for today. 1. The AI influencer's secret. 2. Designing your AI avatar. 3. Bringing the avatar to life. 4. Launching your Instagram strategy. And 5. 6 ways to monetize. Let's jump right in.
Section 1. The AI influencer's secret. So, can you tell if an influencer is real or AI? The wild reality we found in the source material is that there are massive Instagram pages out there. We're talking nearly 400,000 followers, with one specific page hitting 392,000 followers that are 100% AI generated. And the craziest part? The audience has absolutely no idea. They are liking and commenting as if they're interacting with a real flesh and blood human being. And this brings us to the financial potential we're talking about today. These digital creators are actively pulling in 20,000 rupees every 2 days. Let that sink in. That is a staggering rate of monetization for an asset that doesn't actually exist in the physical world. It really highlights why understanding the specific AI automation process is so incredibly valuable right now. But hey, before we geek out on a tech, we need a quick reality check. Overnight success is a myth. First, start something, then make it better. There is no magic button here that just prints money. To make this work, you've got to put in the hard work, stay super consistent, and treat this digital asset like a legit brand from day one. All right, Section 2, designing your AI avatar. So how do we actually build our digital star? It's a really simple 4-step visual workflow. Step 1, find a Pinterest reference that fits the exact vibe you want and grab a screenshot. Step 2, open up the LoveArt AI canvas. Step 3, upload that screenshot directly into your workspace. And step 4, apply a specific text prompt to tell the AI exactly how to adapt your reference into a totally unique influencer. Now, having a great prompt is awesome, but your technical setup is absolutely crucial here. To make sure your output is perfectly optimized for Instagram Reels, you must dial in these essential LoveArt AI settings. First, select the Nano Bana Pro model for the absolute highest quality rendering. Set your resolution to a crisp 2K, and for sure, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio so it fills up a phone screen perfectly without any word cropping. Section 3, bringing the avatar to life. Okay, having a great static picture is just step 1. Now, we need to make our avatar move. Let's say you're going into a profitable niche like beauty products. Go back to Pinterest, find a video of a real person doing a skincare routine, and screenshot the best frame. We're going to compare your static AI avatar with this specific niche reference video frame so we can instruct the AI to mimic that exact pose flawlessly. And this is where the magic happens. 1. Open the Ali AI API market. 2. Select the Klink 2.6 motion control model. 3. Clear out any default text prompts in there. 4. Upload your LoveArt avatar right alongside that skincare reference video you downloaded. And 5. Run it at 720p. By doing this, the Klink 2.6 model seamlessly maps the human reference motion directly onto your digital avatar. Suddenly, your AI character is applying skincare exactly like a real human. Section 4. Launching your Instagram strategy. With our video rendered, it's time to deploy it into the wild. For your launch strategy, your bio should read UGC content creator and AI influencer. Set your gender properly, but the real pro tip here, immediately start following existing AI influencers in your niche. By doing this, you're actively training the Instagram algorithm from minute 1, showing it exactly who to push your content to. Section 5, 6 ways to monetize. Once you've mastered the building phase, you unlock these 6 distinct revenue streams. 1. Theme promos, literally cold emailing brands for paid shoutouts. 2. Affiliate marketing, dropping links in your bio for commission. 3. Selling AI props and services to other creators. 4. UGC-style brand content. 5. Freelance services, like making reels for local businesses to run on Google or Meta. And 6. Flipping accounts, just growing the page and selling the whole shebang. Out of all of those, let's zoom in on one massive opportunity right now: UGC-style brand content. This is creating AI-generated video content specifically for brands to run as high CTR meta ads. Look, brands are desperate for better click-through rates.
By providing them with AI-generated videos that feel like authentic user reviews, you're handing them a highly lucrative asset that costs you almost zero overhead to produce. Let's run the numbers and see the math to 20,000 rupees. Right now, a micro-influencer post pays between 5,000 and 15,000 rupees. So your required volume? Just 2 brand deals, plus 1 single affiliate conversion. That's it. You don't need millions of followers. It is an incredibly achievable volume once you get your system humming.
But to really crush it, you have to look at the big picture. True value lies in moving beyond simple videos to building automated AI systems that deliver real business results. It's not just about making a cool, realistic video. It's about learning structured AI implementation, taking repetitive tasks, automating them, and driving actual measurable commerce. That's what separates a hobbyist from a true digital entrepreneur. We've explored the tools, the workflow, and the financial math. You literally have the complete blueprint to build and automate an AI influencer from scratch. So I'm going to leave you with this one question. Now that you hold the keys to this technology, what specific niche will your AI influencer dominate?